Hi, I'm going to show you some of the features on the A to Z capital and lowercase letters slide deck. So you will see two different navigation slides. One has the letters in alphabetical order, and one of them has them organized in the groups that are recommended by Handwriting Without Tears for teaching the letters in a developmental sequence. The color coding has to do with letter size. So blue is tall, red is small, and yellow is those low or digging letters. This shows you what the different features of the different slides are and the practice lines and the practice boxes for practicing with your annotation tools right after doing your lesson. So here's what the alphabetically organized navigation page looks like. I'm going to jump to M, and you can see this stroke formation is demonstrated, and then you can click on the audio. The top one's going to tell you what the letter name is and the sound and a word that is used with that letter, and the blue audio is going to tell you the stroke order to use. You can then toggle straight to a practice slide and practice drawing them on the lines or identifying where that letter is on the alphabet strip. And you can go back to either the Handwriting Without Tears teaching order or the A to Z. If I wanted to go to a low letter, let's go to Y. You can toggle straight to there, and you can go to uppercase. You can go back. And then I'll just show you at the end. So that goes through all the letters like that. You have this as a practice slide, and then you also have the box letters for tall, small, and low letters to practice on using annotation tools. And there's a grid that goes through the whole alphabet with the verbal directions for how to create a letter, and a reference with color coding and yellow starting dots for each letter. Hope this is helpful. Thanks. Bye.